Price action is powerful, but when you pair it with right indicators, your entries become sharper, your confidence grows, and your win rate improves. In this video, I will show you and also walk you through some of the indicators I use that work well with price action. I will show you how to use them and also how to avoid some common mistakes traders make when using them. Watch till the end because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build a clean, powerful setup that gives clarity, not confusion. Welcome back to Finspoke, where we break down the market in its simplest form to keep you profitable. Before we dive in, let's get one thing straight. Indicators don't replace price action. They simply agree with what the price has already shown you. Check this video for clarity. Think of indicators as your backup team. Price action gives you the direction. Indicators gives you confirmation. So let's dive in. The first indicator I want to talk about is RSI. RSI is a momentum indicator. It is not a reversal indicator. It confirms momentum exhaustion. When price taps into your area of interest, either your demand zone or your supply zone, your resistance zone or your support zone, you need to confirm momentum exhaustion before you enter a trade. That is what this indicator does. You head over to your indicator section and they type RSI. This one, if you want it to be in your favorite, you just click on the star. So it's already on my chart. I will not click on it again, but for you, if you want to add it, you just click on it and it will appear. Head over to the settings. You untick RSI moving average in case there is moving average in your own. Untick upper band, middle band, lower band, and the background fill. Then you can thicken your line if you want for more visibility. You just click here and here. Then you click OK. Then you have a clean RSI in your chart. Generally, the standard setting for RSI is 70 level for overbought and the 30 levels for oversold. A lot of people think that once price gets to 70 level overbought, it will reverse and start going to the opposite direction. Or when it gets to the 30 level oversold, it will reverse and start coming to the upside. That is true. However, it doesn't portray what price actually does. Remember, we are talking about price action, meaning that we are looking at what price does. Now, looking at this chart, you can see that at this level, price gets to 85.63. What happens here is at this level 70, when price is around this level. Of a truth, people that do not understand how this works, they place order, their limit order at level 70 because they think that price will reverse at this level and start going to the opposite direction. But no, price continue going to the upside. When something like this happens, what do? You head over to your tools and pick your trend line. Try and put a trend line as price continues to go to the upside. Let price break this trend line. When price break this trend line, that is when price is reversing to go to the opposite direction. And when price crossed that level 70, what it was doing is to clear every stop losses that is being placed around that 70 level. The second thing you could do is to look out for consolidation. Price gets to this level, which is 76. It started consolidating, as you can see here. I actually took a trade here. That was the trade I used in the first video when I talked about price action and indicators. If you have not watched that video, go now and go and watch the video for a better understanding. If you are watching this video and you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, drop your comment in the comment section, and like this video. Price starts consolidating. The moment it breaks out of this consolidation, that is when price is ready to move to the downside. You can see that price broke out from this consolidation, pushed up a little bit, and now starts going to the opposite direction, which is this pullback that took place here. So this is how you can use relatively strength index to confirm momentum exhaustion when price tap into your zone. Remember, price has to tap into your zone first before you check, in order to be sure that price is ready at the moment to move. The second indicator I use is support and resistance indicator. I already marked star. This is support and resistance levels with breakout by Lux Algo. That's the one I use. You click on it and it appears on your chart. Now, what this indicator does for you is to help you confirm your support areas and your resistance area. As you can see, the blue lines shows the support level and the red line shows the resistance level. You can see this B. It comes with a breakout. However, I do not use that breakout because most times it's misleading. So what I normally do is to head over to the settings and uncheck the breakout and uncheck the break above, break below, and the below bar. What I need is just the support, the resistance, and the support, which is showing me using this red line and the blue line. You can also change the colors as you want. Next indicator is chart pattern. All chart pattern. I already have it. So this particular chart pattern, my Tradingview expired. This particular one is premium. But what this indicator does is it will show you, as you are seeing here, it will show you chart patterns when they are being formed. And when you see these chart patterns, you will be able to make an informed decisions. For instance, this one is reflecting head and shoulder chart pattern. Now, when it shows you this chart pattern as it's formed, it will help you to take a good trade. So if you are using premium, you will have access to this chart pattern. But if you are on a free mode or basic, because what I'm using to do this recording is a free mode, is a basic mode. That's why I cannot use it. But that's one of the indicators I use. Remember, I use this to confirm my bias, to confirm what price is actually doing. They are not what leads my decisions. I use them to confirm what price is doing. pattern I use is all candlestick patterns. When you want to type this, first of all, put asterisk, hold your shift key and press 8. That's where I have asterisk on my laptop. So I don't know your keyboards, how it works, but put asterisk, then you now type all. It will bring out this all candlestick patterns. I already have it because I've been using it. That is why you are seeing these stats. So I click on it and it goes straight into the chart. This is candlestick chart pattern. Depending on the candlestick that you are looking at, to use it to confirm what price is doing, head over to the settings, go to input, scroll. All of these things that you are seeing here, they are candlestick names. Abandoned baby, dark cloud cover, doji, doji star, anyone you want, you tick, they will start appearing. Don't tick too much candlesticks at the same time because you get confused depending on what you are looking for, and it comes with a name. So when you are done ticking the ones that you want, you click OK. Now this BE on red means bearish engulfing candle. You can see if you hover your mouse, it will give you an explanation. So when you hover, it will tell you, it will give you an information concerning the candle. This is long lower shadow. When it is blue, that means it's reflecting the buy. When it is red, it is reflecting the sell. So anyone that you put, you check the names, you will see what they are, depending on what you are looking for. The fifth indicator is trend line indicator. Type the trend line together. Don't give space. You pick this one. This is the one I like to use. You can see that I mark it. I start it. Trend lines with break by Lux Algo. What this indicator does is to auto draws the trend line to help you visualize price direction and a possible breakout. Now, use this trend line as a dynamic support and resistance. At a breakout like this, I want you to check momentum and the candlestick confirmation before you can take a trade at the break of that trend line. Now, looking at this is the main trend. This one's now is the main trend because this is gold and the price is generally bullish. That's why you are seeing this. In case you are wondering what this is market bias. So looking at this, price is generally bullish. So this is the main trend. And this one now is a pullback. That's what this particular one here is. This is a pullback. This is a main trend. This indicator comes with a breakout. And in fact, a lot of them comes with a breakout. Most times I do not use the breakout because they tend not to give accurate informations. Using this breakout to take a trade, I want you to pay attention. If the breakout is to the downside, as you can see in this picture, let price close below with a body, not with a wick. Check that the next candle that follows also close below. Check for momentum. Once there is a momentum, price will definitely push to the downside or go to your direction. At that period, I always say you are in the market to catch the right move at the right time and go out of the market. Don't say that you're going to stay till the end of the market or see what will be the end so that the market will not collect the one that it gives you. If you catch this trade, it's okay for the day. If you're able to catch this, it's okay for the day or for the period. You can wait for price to give you another setup, then you enter. Now look at this break and close above. You can see where price broke and the close above. You can see that the next candle that follows, they don't have strength in them, showing that price will not go far before it reverse. Another thing that will confirm this is when you look at this, you can see something like double top being formed here. If you understand your chart pattern very well, when you see this week, you should be looking out for a retest around this zone. So if you enter the trade here, that is enough. But in case you didn't enter the trade here and you are waiting for a break of this trend line, this is a second opportunity. And if you have entered the trade here and you understand how to manage a trade, you would have entered another trade here. I hope this helps. So if you continue to push backwards, you will still see a breakout. This is another breakout using this indicator. Price break out here and return back to retest before this move to the upside. Always watch the candle that broke the line and the next candles that follows. Now here is a kind of consolidation. That is a consolidation. You can see that price was just flat, moving sideways, and actually came back to retest this trend line before it gave this momentum and starts moving to the upside. There is no volatility in this movement, but you can see that price actually move or push towards the upside. Putting them together, you don't need 10 indicators to stay profitable. You just need the right combination that complements your price action knowledge. Remember, price shows you the truth. Indicators confirms it. So, wait for price to approach your support and resistance or your demand and supply zone. That's your point of interest. Look for structure confirmation. Watch for chart patterns or candlestick confirmation. Execute trade on candle close above or below, depending whether you are going long or short. Put your SL above structure or below structure and target the next zone, as the case may be. This will automatically keep your chart clean while aligning with structure, momentum, patterns, and confirmation, which is the 4 pillars of professional trading. And if you gained value in this video, please show some love. Hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and most importantly, sow a seed of love by sharing this video to other traders. Let them see it. Trade simple, smart, and with confidence. Till I come your way next time. Thank you for watching.